Since you feel that you break my TV and I will not do anything, you will see what I will do to you. You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking?
I've said it. I'm not replacing that television.
You're challenging me in my house, right?
There's nothing like challenging.
You're challenging me in my house, right?
It's what you cost. It's what you
You
cost.
must leave this house.
You cannot be humiliating.
You must leave this house.
And you expect me to keep quiet.
I'm humiliating you.
Yes.
I brought a girl that will shoot for me, a contract. I told you that this girl is doing something for me. Can't you understand? Can't you understand?
You are telling me that I'm making trouble in front of a girl.
Look at TV. Look at TV. Is this not TV? Is this not TV? DSTV is not here. Is this not TV?
Is the size of that TV the same thing with the
size is your problem.
So someone can
size is your problem.
So someone cannot feel like going to her sitting room and watch television because I now have TV in my bedroom. That means I should not keep.
Didn't you watch TV yesterday in that sitting room? Didn't you watch TV yesterday in that sitting room? A visitor is in your house. Why can't you allow her to
What's the problem with me when I was watching the television?
See, let me tell you. I give you 24 hours. I give you 24 hours. 24 hours to deliver. See, let me tell you. You must.
From my face.
Don't.
There's nothing like.
Let me tell you. You are leaving this house. You must leave my house. If you don't provide the TV,
anything.
you must leave my house. You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? If I'm going to give you camera, bring the camera. See, let me tell you. You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? Look at my TV. Look at my TV. Look at my TV. See, you will not have peace here.
You should come to my house to watch television.
Replace this TV.
You should come here to watch
Replace this
television.
TV. I am telling you. You should come here to watch television. You must replace this TV. I am telling you. This. See, look at the TV that was so expensive. Yeah. Look at the TV that was so expensive. You just broke my TV because of insecurity. Let me tell you, you must buy this TV. See, your people will come here.
Let them come.
Your people will come here. I will call my mother. I will call everybody.
I've already called your mom. You don't even need to call her.
Oh, you call my mom.
Me personally, I've called your mom.
Call my mom.
No worry, she will soon be here.
No problem.
She will soon be here.
No problem. If you don't leave my house, you're wicked. You're so wicked. You're so wicked. You're so wicked. You're a very wicked human being. How can she break my TV?
Why would I break the TV? No, why would I break the TV?
She has to break it. She has 24 hours. You still remaining almost 12 hours. She replace this TV. You replace it. If you don't replace this TV, you will not stay in this house with me.
Now, SOBE is counting.
You will not stay in this house with me. If you don't replace this TV, you will not stay in this house with me. You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking?
That is nothing like a right.
Do you know how much TV is now? Do you know how much TV is now? You break my TV.
Tell anybody that is what I said. Do your worst.
What kind of woman is this? What kind of woman is this? God!
That is your business.
As in me, you're talking to me this way.
It's you I'm talking to. It's you that caused the whole thing. When you will not respect yourself, what do you expect? You need to respect yourself before you respect yourself. How? Why will you be insulting me in my own house?
How do I insult you? This girl is watching TV. The only thing you will do is to go up there, watch your own TV. You have TV in your room. What is your problem?
You don't have problem. I don't have problem. My own way. That's my own life.
What did this girl do you? When I that game again now. What did that game again?
I talk about I am not in peace. I am not in peace. It's not in peace. I am not in peace. Period. Each or can negate.
Nah, this is a baby. No. This. See. When you make me happy so now, I am. See. Let me tell you. See. If you did not provide this TV.
If you don't know do that, oh, you are done with the man.
So I'm telling you, if you don't provide that TV, I am done with it.
You think there is contract with that? I will not give you my own contract.
Okay, wait, challenging me
yes,
now.
You're challenging me. I will give you my own rules and regulations. You're challenging me now. You're challenging me now. You're challenging me now. You're challenging me in my house. Yes, you're challenging me. Everyone that I married, you're challenging me in my house. Yes. You break my TV. That's because of insecurity. Because of ordinary girl. Have you caught me and you can do anything? You stood in my face and you are telling me that I'm making trouble in front of
yes, you're making trouble. You are.
You're still saying it.
You're making trouble.
Can you go and sit down? I beg.
Nah, I'm going to get a lost one. Nah, I can't go before I confronted this girl. Before I get this girl, I told her I want to get some guys. I want to get some girls for the movie house. She said, okay, oh, no problem. I help me get a girl so that you can be able to now who might you be now. She said, no, I should do my thing. I don't do my thing. The kind of girl I want. I want to do the pattern of Savannah. All the big girls, big nails, all those kinds of things. You know, now what people they like. Now what make me get this girl come home? Now the kind of girl I want, and I don't know I want the web give me there. Maybe she see this girl, everything scatter. What did I do to my wife? What did I do you? What did I do you? I will slap you. If I slap you,
if you don't stay with the gem, know that it's not me. Because I keep you quiet, you take a best to Adi. Try it, lay your hands on me.
If I slap you,
no, try me now. Try me. Try me.
You see what my wife is
doing? Try lay your hands on me. Try lay kind of feeling hands on me.
In front of these guys?
Yes.
So he said, me, promise me. You're looking at my face. You're looking at my face and you're talking to me like this.
Yes.
You check my TV. God knows you're going to replace this TV.
I will never replace it.
God knows. Everything will end. Everything will end.
Let it end.
Don't you?
What is it?
Don't you?
What is it? Is it that you're settling with divorce? Let it end. Nonsense. Let it end. Me, I'm tired. I'm tired already. Let it end.
Just ordinary security. What did this girl do? No. Normally, she know the business. She know the industry we are into. She know the business. She's a filmmaker. What's her problem? We plan this. For us to get this place, we plan it together. We need to get a place and open a film house. That's the plan for both of us. That's the plan. That's the plan.
See, if you still here, if you're still here, you still.
No. This is the venue.
I understand.
Look at my TV. Look.
He's spending me. I beg. Who just come out? Who just come out and clear your head?
Nah, see women though.
You look at what you want to do, your wife. So we did there when you married. Good.
That's why you decided to replace the TV. You like do what you want.
Good.
Hey, Jesus.
Boss, come now. No, just come outside.
Guys, if I see this TV, they beg me. I say, no, leave me.
Okay,
why are you begging? Stop begging. What is she? You don't need to cool off. There's no need for the weekend.
Okay,
there's no need for the
weekend.
Yes, you are the
Let's go out, I beg. I'm begging you, I beg. Boss, I beg. Let's just go out. Leave her. If you still stay here now, you take
I'm going to the weekend before.
No, I don't understand.
Yeah, I understand.
I don't understand.
How much is this TV that I checked yesterday? Not 2.3 million. Now be 1.2 million when they say that.
This TV now 1.2 million, 1.1 million. Now what's in this TV there now? Now what's in it there?
Let's just go outside.
You get mine, break them. You get mine, break TV. When they're expensive. Okay, this girl now don't tell you say make you pay her 5 million now make she go. You don't agree pay her.
You don't want to settle her now. I could tire the 5 million, give the place TV, you want for something million. They're not there.
Where are you wicked?
Where are you wicked?
Just listen to me. Just listen to me more. Just forget this thing. Let's go outside.
She's not feeling remorse for what she done.
Why will I feel remorse? I am never feeling any remorse, and I will never. I am not feeling it, and I will never feel any remorse.
Well, you will see what I will do.
No.
You will see what I will do to you. You will see. See, let me tell you. Let me tell you. If you don't replace this TV, you see what I will do. You will see what I will do. You see this house. It will be a living hell. If you don't leave this house, if you don't leave this house, it will be a living hell.
Whatever you give to me,
it will be a living hell. I will make sure you hate yourself. No problem. Now let me make it to this man.
You be escalating the whole thing. Let's go outside. Let's go. I understand. I
another people. Nonsense. Even not you will be in a Kawanishi. Kawanishi can not live together. Kawanishi, Mamma, who gave man or more. In a Kawasoshi, why you get 3 boys and got